Hydraulic presses can squish anything. Which is why it was done by professionals.
Safety.
First up, we got the big behemoth versus a bunch of paper. Does it just like cut a hole in the middle of it? Nope. It bends it. That's sad.
It's making a book. What if it just comes out and it's got words all over it?
What's the objective here?
They're seeing what it takes to cut it in half, and now they're trying this pointy thing.
Okay.
Which I feel like this is gonna work. Yeah. That exploded.
That did explode.
They got halfway through though. It's better than anything else so far. A ball?
Oh, 2 balls. It must be a male.
You're busting my balls, man.
It doesn't look like the balls are busted. You know, technically, a tire is a lot like a hydraulic press. The tire kind of like squeezes the ground. Just watch.
Whoa! I thought it hit me in the face, but it was just hitting the camera. That was crazy.
Science. All right, matches. Do they light?
Whoa!
Oh, they do!
That's so cool.
That was great.
I'm just sad. Look at those matches that'll never get lit.
So beautiful. I'm crying because of its beauty, not because I have allergies.
This is a beautiful, blurry slow-mo. I like this. Yo, the matches was cool, but this is a clown car. I hope they made sure there wasn't like 50 clowns in there.
Oh my gosh.
No, Herbie!
The tires are what's keeping it up. That's really cool.
It's like it's trying to resist.
How did they just make machines that can just
eat cars?
Yeah. This is Iron Giant's worst nightmare. Iron Giant's just walking and he accidentally steps on that.
I used to be scared of the Iron Giant.
He just grabbed the bus. Is this how they get the Fortnite bus in the air? Does he just fling it? Oh, nope. He just keeps destroying it.
No, all the Fortnite kids. Yeah, using large machinery to destroy things
is just a kind of therapy that no one understands. Makes all the loud noises be quiet.
I think he has issues. If this happens to your bus, it's not okay.
Did they make all the kids get off the bus and they were like, no school today? This reminds me of that time where we tried to see if a magnet could stop a car. We went to a junkyard and then we didn't upload it.
Yep, so we have another car here.
It's gonna make it flat.
Oh, do we get to see Pancake Car?
Pancake car.
Pancake Car. Pancake Car. Pancake Car. Pancake Car. Pancake Car. Pancake Car.
Pancake car.
That's more like Watermelon Car. Wow, wait, those things are actually real? Yeah. I thought those were just in video games. Like when they just stack up a bunch of smush cars.
They're pushing half a house.
You can just push a house over like that?
If you need people to push houses over,
we got you.
I'll do it. You don't have to pay me. Let me know where I gotta be to push a house over.
So what if you stood right there where that door falls?
And it like
landed on you? Yeah, like in the cartoon. But seriously, I want to become a full-time house pusher over. Like if I could get paid to do that.
Seems like a lucrative business. I thought that was a squirrel falling, but it's just debris.
Yo, is that how they make pizzas? Does that not look like a pizza?
No, it looks like smushed cheese puffs. You on some different stuff today.
I'm cheese puff blind.
Yo, it's a hydro flash.
Oh, this is gonna be...
Now it's a hydro flash.
Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it.
Don't say my joke, that's my joke.
Now it's a plate. Because it was flat.
I just don't even know you anymore.
What? Oh, because hydro flat's funnier. Comment which is funnier.
Mine was funnier. Hey, sticky notes. Whoa.
More like confetti. 10 lighters. Oh, they're gonna blow up.
That looks dangerous. You probably shouldn't breathe that.
He wasn't even wearing gloves. This is why you shouldn't smoke, kids. That's your lungs.
He can just eat nails. It's like that guy in SpongeBob.
Poor machine. We're always thinking like, wow, this looks cool. But have we ever stopped for a second and just wondered, how does the machine feel?
They don't feel, they're machines.
Oh, well then next clip. Guess how many paper will stop the shredder?
I hope it doesn't go 2, 3, 4, 20.
20 didn't even put up a fight.
Nah.
Let's see if 100 does. Does 100 put up a fight? Nope.
It's just...
Does 1,000?
200.
Oh, sorry.
So this isn't Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast would have already been to 1,000.
He took it up. Oh, so it takes less paper to stop this machine than it takes to stop a bullet.
We found that out.
Yes. Play the clip. Oh, what? It's about to explode. It's about to erupt. Or just ooze.
Ew!
Is that a Jawbreaker?
Yeah, Ed, Edd n Eddy type.
So if you eat that Jawbreaker, all that liquid's going in. That's a lot of calories.
Yeah. Oh no, he set his background on fire. Ah!
Can you just pick a lock like this?
That's not really picking. That's more like burning. Yo, it's dripping. Yo, sheesh, it got drip.
All right, here, you take over. I'm gonna go rob a house.
Hey, you already did that video. Chandler's parents' house, you threw a brick through the window.
Here's a rock. Chandler, smash that window.
But it was okay because we left 50 grand.
I'm back from robbing a house.
Ah, my laptop, my brand new laptop. It can't even do a laptop. Yo, get a better shredder. There was one that shredded a car and this one can't even shred a laptop. Wow.
This is the beta version. Anyways, next clip.
Yo!
What is that?
It's a machine that's gone loose and they're trying to battle it.
Yo, he just threw a bag of sand at it.
Yo, this looks like a Genshin Impact fight. He made it more deadly.
Oh
wait, he stopped it.
How many men does it take to stop that machine? I don't know because a Lamborghini just got right over.
And now spaghetti. Yo, it's one of
Oh, it's again. It's the same thing. Yo, here's my hypothesis. We all know AI is eventually going to take over the world. What if this is AI just testing?
I don't think there's any AI in that.
No, like artificial intelligence is like occasionally letting those things loose, and they're just like, how do humans react
against a rogue robot?
Yeah. Look how terrified they all are. Oh! It's taking the tarp. Yo, why did that guy could have just held the tarp?
It seems faster now. Why does it seem faster?
The tarp aided it.
This scares me. This gives me anxiety. Ah! This makes me so nervous for no reason.
I know. Well, it should.
Well, there's the reason right there. It ate it. Yum, yum, yum.
All right, Blade versus Crusher. Actually, Blade versus camera. I lied.
When we say not to do this at home, this is why. That could have been his hand. And he tries again. Did he learn nothing? Oh!
Dude, it just has a thing for the camera. That's illegal.
Call the police! Well, it's illegal here.
In America, it's illegal to just like destroy money. Is it illegal in Europe?
Wow, I think it's time for it to melt. Cheetos! You mentioned Cheetos earlier.
I did. Play the clip. Yo, is that how they make pizzas?
You manifested Cheetos.
Pizza.
Why?
It's on!
Why?
No way. Does he just drop it?
It's not gonna work. We already saw this one not do good.
Look, dude, he dropped it and then ran.
It's just wiggling on it.
It's like, I don't want to be here.
He's like, oh great, I have to touch it again.
How did the batteries not explode? I'm a little concerned by how slow he moves away. He's just like, yeah, this is a normal thing.
I mean, he's probably done it so much he's used to it.
Dude, there's that freaking killer blade right there.
Get your finger away from it, man. That was close.
You actually kind of scared me. I was like, wait, what? Oh, pop. Aw.
It didn't pop.
That was lame.
Whoa!
All right, this one's gonna be cool.
This is probably easy to do because there's so many DVDs just lying around.
Yeah, but here's the thing. If you just, once he lifts it up, if you just blew on it, it would work.
Eggs. Oh.
Is that the crunch you wanted? That was disgusting.
That was really...
I'm gonna get that off your screen.
Oh no, Axe body spray. All the 12-year-old boys in the comments are gonna be mad.
Remember when our friend threw that Axe spray in the fire that one time?
It blew a hole in the bottom of my fire pit.
Good times.
Good times. Hey, I'm a big fan of Pepsi, if they pay us.
I'm a big fan of anything if they pay us. Oh.
Whoa! 50 knives? Those aren't scalpels, those are boxes.
Oh my gosh, they're flying out.
That's so dangerous. Oh, we got another shot, because if one wasn't enough.
Well, wait a minute. If we go back, do you see a camera here?
I think that hole probably.
Oh, never mind.
Hey, look, it's a car. It's probably gonna be okay, right?
No, it's a car pancake. Car pancake. Car pancake. Candy yam.
Remember when Tide Pods were such a huge thing and now nobody cares anymore?
Just like us. Oh, I love when it like misses it. That's what I was gonna say. He put a brick in.
Leave it to a BMW driver.
Why is he going so slow?
Because he messed up the first time. Hey, crushed the brick. We thought we were only getting watermelon, but we got a little brick action too.
Wait, is he robbing this store? No way. No way he's actually robbing this store. All right, here, you take over. I'm gonna go rob a house.
No way.
Oh, is that the safe?
Yo.
Hurry up before the cops get here, man.
You should have got a truck, not a... They cut a hole in the top of it.
Dude, does he just leave the machine there? So the cops are just not going to be able to trace that machine back to them? This is epic, and you want to know what else is epic?
What?
The fact that someone that subscribes in the next 7 days gets $1,000 in cash. So go grab your mom's phone, your brother's phone, your sister's phone, subscribe on all of them. Goodbye.
Bye.